everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dora the Fluid Crafter, and I am back with another little Etsy share and a design team kit. This is from Tincika Designs. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's Tincika. Some people pronounce it Tincika Designs. Her name is Martina. She is on Etsy and Instagram. So I will be sure to link her down below. Okay, so this is a small kit. So you can see here. I have just a couple of pages printed out on printer paper. There are, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot one in my printer. Let me grab it. Ha! I was printing these out in the last video so I would have them ready. Okay, so she has 3 main designs, 4 pages, or if you're doing an altered book or something like that, you can have these onto your pages. And so this one here is red with roses. Then we have just a regular kind of like a vintage wallpaper design, which is super cool. And then this one here is the same, smaller and reverted. So the red is more prominent in this one, and the white is more prominent in this one and larger. Both of them are equally beautiful. And here are some of the ephemeras and pockets and journaling cards. And I'm going to bring her name up here just so you guys can actually see what I mean. That is the shop on Etsy and her name. And of course I have to fix my phone when I go up close and zoom so that way, but my phone keeps trying to fall off of my tripod. I don't know why. So anyway, so you get some of these diamonds, some little journaling cards, some bigger ones. You get some pockets and a little label, but they're so beautiful. Look at that. I'm telling you, this kit has my heart, especially through memory keeping with my brother. My brother's favorite flower was a yellow rose. And so this has a lot of yellow roses in it, so it's very touching to me to have this kit and that she has given it to me. And as you guys know, we talked in the last video about circles. Well, these are smaller, and I'm going to be doing something very special with this kit, so be sure to stay tuned, and I'm going to show you what you can do with these smaller circles on your pages to give a little bit of a different touch and texture. I'm telling you, it's going to be wonderful. Okay, so there's that one. These here are printed on that lightweight cardstock. And here's some more circles. Love all these lady faces. They're like statue type. They have that very soft glow about them. And so here's another set. Now these are the bigger ones. These are the, this is another pocket, a little tag. Here's your bird label, and here is 2 of those ladies. And then you have a border strip here. This here is what goes with the 1 page, which I still think is beautiful. This here is a big journaling card, a big label, and kind of like a bookmark type tag. And then on the last one, you have a big bird pocket, which is beautiful. You have another little border strip. You have some ticket labels, is what I like to call them, because they're not like regular tickets with the, what's the edging called? Now I can't think of it, of course, because I'm on camera and I can't think of what the, like postage stamps. It doesn't have that, when you can rip them off. Anyways, so these I like to call label tickets, and they're just so beautiful and delicate, especially those birds right there. I just love them so much. So I will be linking her down below. Also, be sure to check her out. Her name is Martina. She is absolutely amazing. You guys, I'm telling you, this is so beautiful. I actually did a Christmas thing last year for her also, and have been welcomed onto her design team for this year, which is amazing. So I will get onto this and get cracking on my little projects that I'm going to be doing, and I'm telling you guys, you're going to want to stay tuned. I've got some very unique things coming up, so I hope to see you there. All right, guys, stay creative, think outside your box, always be blessed, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye now.